Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Tub Gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new tub gasket. The tub gasket seals the dishwasher door. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged, you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, you can see the tub gasket. It's pressed into this channel and goes all the way around the tub. You just have to reach in and pull it out. Once you have it pulled out of the groove, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old tub gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the new tub gasket in, you want to make sure that you find the yellow mark that marks the center of it and line that up with the latch on the tub. So we're just going to bring it in and line the yellow dot up with the center of the latch and then push it into the groove. When you get to the bottom, you want to make sure it's pressed all the way into the channel and just kind of lays over like the old one did and just points over towards the center of the dishwasher. Once you have it installed, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.